We don't normally do this, but I'm looking at...
Oh, echo. Oh.
Come on, love.
Oh, hello!
We've got him! Put your medal on, stop swearing.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Andy's birthday next week. And as I said earlier, it's only custom, but you join in with the fun. Alright? So Andy,
he's very shy, so beat Jack.
That's your medal.
Now, his technique is well practiced.
Oh, aye.
We know this.
His technique.
Now, pay attention.
No, I mean with a spoon.
The spoon? What you think now?
The spoon, he's got an over.
Hang on.
He's got an overactive knife and fork.
Hang on, I've still got a bit of yogurt on that off tight time.
Are you sure that's yogurt?
I think it was yogurt. I found it on the bed. Oh, yeah, listen. No, joking. Andy, there's your tool.
Disgusting.
There's your tool.
Right then.
All you got to do is keep in the same rhythm as us.
Now, you know
that's out of rhythm.
Now then, I'll tell you when. Oh, and you've got 2 solos in this.
So when we stop,
you've got to go like it's a vinegar stroke. You've got to.
You've got to go like the clappers.
The clappers.
Right?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Between the pair of these, we're right in the gut along there.
Minus the sock.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and the Mac will do it. This one.
Decker's just getting his ear.
We'll just wait for the old fella. Are you ready, Andy?
I'm there. Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Andy on washboard. We're going to be washing the same Boogie!
Not so many twists.
Yeah, come on, honey, and I wanna do. Wash machine, clean it, do. Yeah, that wash is like a thing. Oh, just like that wash machine. It's like a thing. I wanna do. Wash machine, give up and all the time I do. Let's get clean and clean the wind. Come on, baby, I wanna do. Wash machine, clean it, do. Come on, honey, I wanna do. Wash machine, clean it, come on, baby, I wanna do. Wash machine, come on, honey, I wanna do. Wash machine, what's come on, baby, I wanna do. Wash machine, come on, honey, I wanna do. Wash machine,
Hey, you big up for Andy, ladies and
Oh, that wasn't very nice. I've never known that swear word before.
is that a new one, is it?
Oh, I 2 new ones actually.
Andy was nothing to do with me, mind you. I didn't want to
gentlemen.
get
What do you do with me, Andy?
I knew he'd be shite anyway, so I didn't,
I'll see you at the bar.